Hi, kurumicooks here. This is my recipe for Japanese Tantan Ramen. Start by slicing up the white part of a spring onion. Slice long ways into shreds. Put the shreds in a small bowl of cold water. Next, remove the end of pak choi. Cut in half. Then slice the white part in half. Next, mince up 2 large garlic cloves. Repeat with a 1-inch piece of ginger. Add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil to a hot pan. Add half the minced ginger and half the minced garlic. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Next, add to the stir fry 200 grams of beef mince for 1 to 2 minutes. Add half tablespoon of豆板醤, 2 teaspoons of miso, and 2 tablespoons of cooking sake. Stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the beef is cooked, turn off the heat. Now add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil to a hot saucepan. Add the rest of the garlic and the ginger. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Add 350 ml of water, 2 teaspoons of vegetable stock, 1 heaped tablespoon of sesame paste or tahini, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Stir together well. Next, add 350 ml of soya milk. Keep the soup hot, but don't let it boil. Bring a large pan of water to the boil. Cook your noodles. I'm using instant noodles, but you can use fresh noodles too. 1 minute before the noodles are done, add the pak choi. When the noodles are ready, remove the pak choi. Drain the noodles and place in serving bowls. Add the soup, the minced beef, and the pak choi. And garnish with the spring onion. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.